NYSC. The meaning, National Youth Service Commission.
Oh!
What? National Youth Service Commission.
What is NYSC?
NYC means National Youth Service Corps.
Spare the cops.
Is my here to mock me?
No, I'm not yet. Spare the cops.
OROPX.
Why are we here today?
We are here for our POP passing out program.
Jesus is Lord.
Now you talk this thing, I be the thing they just fall come off the
What's NYSC?
NYC, Nigerian Youth Service.
What do you say?
Nigerian Youth Service.
Under fire you.
POPs passing out passing out. I don't remember what that. Sorry.
Passing out what?
I don't remember the next few. What I know is,
Try passing out what?
I don't know. Is it passing out power?
Jesus is